Let's create an email signature for our company email address. When you log into Gmail, you want to go to the top right, click Settings, and then come down to Settings. And signatures are actually going to be on the first tab you come to, the General tab. So you want to scroll down. And here I have a list of email addresses from some of my other businesses as well as my personal email address that I've had forwarded here. So I'm going to choose the one I want to work with. And you see I've already got it created. And I'm going to show you how to create this exact same email signature. So all you need to do is type in your name, whatever else you want, if it's your position, the name of the company, phone number. I put in an email address, and I also put in my company website. And when you put in this URL, it will actually turn into a link by itself. As long as you have the http:// that will become a link. Now next I actually have my company logo. So I've got a logo here and I have it linked. And when I click on it, you can see that the link is the link to this company website. So they can either click here on this link or they can click on the logo and it will take them to the website. Now I'll show you how to get the logo in here in a second, but when you click on this, you want to highlight it. And then what you need to do is click the link button here. And then when you click on that, it'll open up a spot where you can type in the URL that you want somebody to go to when they click on this, and then that'll set it. So in order to get an image in here, you actually need to specify the URL where this image is uploaded. And I'll go down here and I'll show you how to do that. By the way, that's the same thing with all of these social media icons as well. You just need to upload them to your server or to your hosting account, specify their directory name, and off you go. And by the way, in this course, I have actually included all of these icons for you. So depending on where you're taking this course, you want to either go to the Attachments tab in the upper right-hand corner of the course, or you want to click on the Extras tab in the upper right-hand corner of your course, and there will be a download there waiting for you called Email Signature Icons. So in order to add an image into your signature, you want to go up to the Insert Image button, and that'll bring up a box where you can type in your image URL. Well, where do you go to get this image URL? I'm going to grab FileZilla, and you can also do this going to your control panel if you're using the Green Geeks hosting. So what I've done is actually uploaded my email signature logo and all of those icons to a directory here. And so I'll go ahead and find that directory. It's in here, content, and uploads. Now, when you go down here, what you're going to see is this Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, all these icons I've uploaded here. So you can just essentially take the image, drag it, and drop it right in here, and it will upload. And then down here, you actually see I have my email logo uploaded. What you want to do is type in right here, you want to type in http:// the name of your website, and then essentially what I need to do is just copy this. This public HTML actually doesn't go into the URL. So if you have a hosting account and it inserts this extra directory file name, you really don't need that. So I'll copy this. I'll go back and I will paste that in here. And you got to make sure that everything is spelled exactly correctly. That's why I'm cutting and pasting this in here. And then I'm going to put another slash, and I'm going to go find my file name. And this will be the complete file name that directs Google to know where to go to pick up this image, this logo image that I want to display. So I will copy this one. I'll go back to Google, and I will paste that in here. Now we've got the whole file name, and if the file URL is correct, you should see it pop in here. And just so you know, I did use an image editing software to make a much smaller version of my icon. If you bring in an icon that's, let's say, 600 by 1000, it's going to display that large in your email signature. So you're going to want to crop this down to a more manageable size, something that fits in with your signature. And then once I'm done there, I just click OK. And now we see we've got our company logo in here. Now again, if you want to submit a link for that, you just click the link, tell it where you want it to go, and you're good to go. And I did the same thing with all of these icons here as well. So just know that you can insert your Facebook logo, and then put your cursor right here, and then insert your Twitter logo, LinkedIn, Google+, whatever else you want. Now, lastly, I want to show you this little checkbox here. And I'm going to go all the way up to the top. And if I uncheck this, what it does is puts two little hash marks here, or two dashes, and it'll put that right before your email signature. I like to take that out and then just space down one time. So if you create your email signature, it'll be up here. And then every time you create a new email, you'll actually have to hit the enter key once to move your signature down so that you have a space between the last text that you wrote and your email signature. So I just like to space one down so that I have that space already. And I like to leave this checked. And then when you're done with all that, you click Save Changes.